Buenas tardes, amigos, amigas from PRANZO Restaurant here in La Floresta, AJIJIC, and the lakeside area. And today I ordered for lunch a flank steak panini. It has onions and peppers in it, and this delicious salad and Caesar dressing. And with the meal, when I first sat down, they gave me some bread, which I ate a couple small pieces of, with butter, chipotle sauce, and there's also jelly for people who like to put jelly on their bread. This is an excellent meal. Let me tell you more about PRANZO. Give you a idea. Now I'm not gonna cover the tables where people are sitting, and so if I move the camera around certain ways, I want to avoid people who are sitting down enjoying their meals. In La Floresta, right off the Carretera Highway. Beautiful little place tucked away. There's more dining in here as well, more open air dining available. It's a little bit late lunch for me, so a lot of people have left because lunch is just about over, but they are open through the whole day. You can come and eat their menu all day. Beautiful place, very peaceful, and this way is Central, toward the central part of AJIJIC, the plaza. And you must enjoy this, or try it anyway. You know, this is a beautiful, nice outdoor dining. Many of the places in the AJIJIC and lakeside area have a lot of outdoor dining, which you can't get up in the Midwest. I'm telling you, not now, because I've been talking with people up there, and it is very cold up there right now. And there's a snowstorms up there and everything. And so anyways, this is great living. Just one of the many things to do here in the lakeside area.